So what's good, y'all? It's your boy Show Out, and I'm back with another little clip video slash. And today I'm gonna show y'all this clip of me riding along in a sport. To be exact, a Fusion Sport. It's all-wheel drive, and it's kind of fast. Think I want one now. Think I'm about to go ahead and make the move to get a Fusion Sport, because that was like, it was so nice. It was so nice. So nice. And yes, it is the 2019 Ford Fusion Sport. All-wheel drive, everything, all the good stuff with it. And here's the little clip of it.
Alright, man. Show me why you get a sport, bro. You show me how I get one tomorrow.
Get him.
Oh, shit. I'm not good being a passenger. I'm usually the driver.
Get him.
That's an artist, bro.
I don't give a shit. Baby chicken, get him. They got a V6 too.
It's even,
Deuces. What wants to do? I think so. Look, you better leave down when we go by. I said probably get off and loop back around. I would have got damn trouble with this. I swear I don't need nothing like this. Oh, I know.
I feel like you could have went that way.
Yeah, we gonna go back down the highway. Race somebody else.
This dude, all he wanna do is race.
Which is why I don't need his car.
Okay, so look, I think I'm about to get a sport. Man.
This is why Kevin don't need a sport. I'm representing everybody. Inside. We out.
This is why every car you get should have turbos. Turbos? You go from a non-turbo
Outside,
car,
inside.
you need to tell it.
All the way.
I like it.
Nah, it's not this one, it's the next one.
Oh, the kid got you. Kid said, get some.
that y'all seen, that's the little clip of me riding along with my homeboys for Fusion Sport. At this point, I really think I'm about to make the move to go ahead and get my Fusion Sport, because the feeling in that joint, swear to God, boy. But yeah, and I have some more content coming for y'all. And as far as that, I'm just waiting for my what is it called? I'm just waiting for my last little clip to process into my computer so that I can go ahead and edit that little piece, and then I will be done. But other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe for more content. And we got 201. So that's a good thing. But just let me know what y'all would like to see. If y'all want to see me if y'all want to see how I wash my car, let me know. Whatever y'all want to see, I'll do it. If y'all want to see something funny, just let me know. Give me some ideas. We can go to the stores. We can go out in traffic, jump out in traffic, just start dancing, all of this extra stuff. Or we could try to put my car on the lot and see how much they gonna sell it for. Like, go in there, ask them about, oh, how much y'all selling this for? Take the tags off of my car and all. But yeah, and I guess that's it. Make sure y'all turn them post notifications on for me, and go ahead, just get your grandma, your auntie, your mama, your daddy, all of them, subscribe to my channel for me. And hey, we ain't going nothing but up, y'all. But yeah, peace.